Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious chicken and garbanzo salad. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by making our cilantro lime marinade for our chicken. To a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Just going to give it a quick mix. In here you can taste it and see if you need to adjust it. But let me tell you, this is always perfect. Now we're just going to add our cilantro. In here I already have my chicken breast cut in half. Just going to dip it in there, coat it with the marinade. Okay, once we have our chicken, we're going to allow it to marinate for at least 20 minutes. After at least 20 minutes, we can now get ready to cook our chicken. Okay, so here I have my pan over medium-high heat. It's nice and hot. We're just going to grab our chicken, place it in there, and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side. After 3 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over and allow it to cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over one last time and just allow it to continue cooking until it has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Okay, after another 3 minutes, my chicken is done. So we're just going to remove it from the heat. Okay, so now we're just going to allow our chicken to cool down for a little bit and then we can get ready for the fun part. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we can now get ready to cut our chicken. So we're just going to grab it and cut it into small pieces. Something like that. Then transfer it to a bowl. You just do the same with all the chicken. Now to our bowl, we're also going to add our garbanzos. Make sure that you rinse them and drain them, of course, along with our tomatoes, onion, cucumber, cilantro, and I'm adding 1 chile serrano and queso fresco of choice. And here I'm just going to drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Going to squeeze the juice of 1 lime. And we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, oregano, and salt. And now we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, and just like that, we have our delicious cilantro lime chicken and garbanzo salad. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so refreshing, but so filling. It's honestly so delicious. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Everything so perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious chicken and garbanzo salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.